Bling! Huh?
Hi everyone, and welcome back to Daily Doodles for you. And today I'm going to show you how to draw Krypto the Superdog. So Krypto is Superman's dog, and I think he's super cute. So let's start drawing him with his nose. So I'm going to do a shape like this, like a triangle. And I'm going to give a little shape like this right here for a nostril, and we can see a little bit of one on this side too. All right, so we got the nose all done. All right, so next let's do a little line right here, and we can start with some eyes. So I'm going to start right here for a little rounded shape. And inside that, I'm going to do a little line right there, and another one, and a circle. And then I'm going to color this part all black. And I can do a line right here too. And we're going to do a little bit of a eyebrow. And then come on up. Like that. All right, so now over on this side, well, I'm going to curve up a little bit more right there. And over on this side, we're going to do a similar shape. I'm going to come on over and do a circle. And we're going to do another curved line right here. And another one, and a circle, and color all of this part here in dark. All right, so now I'm going to come on down from this nose part, do a little line like that, and we're going to work on the mouth. So I kind of came up a little itty bit right here, and then kind of down again. And then we're going to do a bit of a smile. We're going to bring this smile all the way over here, under the eye, and then a little bit out right here, like that. I'm just thickening up this part of the eye area. All right, so right here, let's do the bottom of the mouth, sloping downward like that. And then he's got a strong chin, like that. And I'm gonna continue to go on over like this for the top of the head. And he needs his ears, of course. So I'm going to come on up right here, and then slant downward, and then I'm going to come on out this way, and then come on over with a line like that, and do a little line right here. So we've got one ear done, and now let's do the other one. So we can come on up, and then a line like that. And then like that. And we can see the inside of the ear a little bit with this line. So now we got two ears finished, and we can start working on the neck. So it's a strong, thick neck. He's a super dog after all. Okay. So right now I'm going to do a line right here. It's a little bit curved. And we're going to do that Superman, Superdog symbol. So I'm going to try and make shape like that. Okay. And I'm going to do a shape right here like that. And I'm going to come on over with a line, but I'm not going to finish and connect it to right here quite yet because we need to do a cape. So I'm not going to do that part yet. I'm going to do the S there. So I'm going to do, I'm just kind of going to line this area here like that. And now we can do a little shape right here like this for the bottom of the S. And the top part of the S, we can start right here and come on over. And a curve right there. Like that. I'm just kind of going over it a few times to make it nice and thick so that it really stands out when we have it all colored. All right, so now we can put the cape here. So it's hanging down. It's going to go all the way down, and it's going to be going all over, a nice big long line going down this way too. And I can do a few little lines just to kind of show the movement of the fabric of that cape. Now let's do a line coming from here, and then we're going to slant downward a little bit and then continue going down a bit more. And right here we can do another front arm, front leg. Come on down. And right here we got a little elbow area. Come on down. And right here we're going to do a curved line. This is going to be the chest. And we can do a line right here. And then we're going to kind of curve and do a little line right here. And we can see a bit of the back leg with a curve right there. All right, so we are all finished drawing, and I'm going to get started with the coloring. All right, folks, so we are finished drawing Krypto. Thank you so much for drawing with me today. I hope you have a really good day, and I hope to see you back here tomorrow for whatever we draw next. All right, everyone, goodbye.